Good morning and welcome back. Today I'm back with another do-it-yourself type video, and today I will upgrade my low beam headlights to LED headlights of Tata Ultra. Now you will ask that why I waited for 4 years to replace these bulbs. Actually I was looking for a bulb that is an actual retrofit of this particular halogen bulb. Now let me tell you, most of the LED bulbs that are available in the market, they are absolute bolt and fit for your projector headlamp housing. Now lot of cars like me who are not having projector setup do have a reflector setup. Now for a reflector setup you need an LED bulb that will be actual match of your halogen headlamps. So two things was very important, that the bulb should be the equal size of the halogen lamp. It should not have a additional ballast that will protrude inside your headlight housing, and it will be difficult for you to install your headlight cap, because headlight cap should be intact to keep your reflector housing intact. So I was really waiting for a bulb that actually complements all these features. तो मैंने इंटरनेट में सर्च कर रहे थे कि ऐसा बल्ब कब मिलेगा. So recently, so I was going through the internet and searching the website of both Philips and Osram. Osram has also come out with this type of lamps, but that are not available right now in the market. But I found that Amazon has listed this product from Philips and I purchased it immediately to install it. So I will show you the installation procedure. Now before replacing your halogen lamps, make sure that your LED light is not of a very high wattage, because आप लोग देख रहे हैं जो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आदमी is going for a higher wattage bulb, 150 watt, 200 watt. But what will happen in the long run, it will damage your reflector housing, because LED lamps run at a very high temperature which you ignore it. And not only that, if you are going for higher wattage bulb, it will be straining your wiring harness or the headlight coupler. So I purchased this particular bulb and I will show you the installation. And this is only 16 watts. You will find that most of the branded products do not have such a high watt bulbs. That is also another reason. And you need, and this is a warm white light. I didn't go for the 6000 Kelvin light. This is 3500 Kelvin. So the advantage is that it will be equivalent light warm of your halogen bulb. तो halogen bulb का जो yellowish type of light है वही आपको मिलेगा, but with a better lumens. और warm white light का सबसे ज़्यादा जो advantage है, all weather vision होता है, क्योंकि आपको rain में, snow में, dust में, सभी condition में आपको अच्छा light मिलेगा. White light क्या होता है? In this type of situation, light bounce back to you in rain or in snow or in severe dusty conditions. So let me install it for you. I will unbox this product. This is not a promotional video, so there is nothing to do with Philips. So these are your low beam headlamps which requires H7. So before these are H7 unit. Now before purchasing your headlight, you check your owner's manual, buy the bulb that is required by your car. So these are the lamps, and another advantage of this particular lamp is that you have a instruction manual. So these are the lamps. You can see how miniature it is. It is absolutely the size of halogen bulb. Now let me first uninstall the halogen ones. So let me open it. So इसको open कर लिया मैंने. Now here lies the ring. Okay. There is the ring that needs to be opened. I have opened the coupler. So I have opened this ring. This is the retention clip that hold. So this is the retention clip that locks your bulb. Okay. So this you need to open it. Now let me remove the bulb. This is the original bulb that came with the car. Now let me show you the halogen one. You see, both are of same size. Okay, and there is no additional ballast, so there will be no problem for closing your dust cap. So it is absolutely of the same size of halogen bulb. तो आप देख सकते हैं halogen bulb जैसा है ऐसे ही आप same size है और लगाने के लिए आपको कोई problem नहीं आएगा. Now while you are going to install your bulb, the orientation will be this one. I have showed you in case of my Honda City also. Here you can see all the models has been shown here how to fit it. So this is the H7 type.
लूज नहीं रहना
ना. सो दोनों लॉक्स हमने लगा दिया और द ओरिएंटेशन इज यू सी वो एकदम द बल्ब इज इन दिस पोजीशन 6/9. नाउ लेट मी लाइट इट अप. One advantage of this particular Philips headlights, you don't need any polarity issue, so you can fix it in both ways. So you can see the light is glowing. We'll check at night how the performance is, and this is the halogen type. Let me fix the dust cap. Okay, the same procedure. দেখা যাচ্ছে তো ওখানে না. So this is the other bulb. Same size.
लगेगा
So both the locks have been fitted. Now I will fix the coupler and finally the dust cap. Okay, now let me light it again. So I will give you a test at night how the और इसका price it varies between 3,700 to 5,000 and it is available only in Amazon. I will provide you the links, and if you are interested you can buy from the link. Buying from our affiliate link helps us a little bit. And so let me show you first the night experience, then I will give you the verdict. So this is the low beam position that you are getting. So this is the hotspot that you are getting with halogen light. तो आपको हेलोजन में जो हॉटस्पॉट आ रहा है तो ऐसा ही हॉटस्पॉट आपको मिल रहा है। तो लाइट ज़्यादा स्कैटर्ड भी नहीं है और एकदम परफेक्ट पोजीशन में है। तो हेलोजन में आपको ऐसा ही हॉटस्पॉट मिल रहा है। सो वंस आई स्विच टू एलईडी बल्ब्स आई विल शो यू हाउ द हॉटस्पॉट्स आर। तो अभी हॉटस्पॉट्स आपको ऐसा ही मिल रहा है हेलोजन में। सो देयर आर द हॉटस्पॉट्स, यू कैन सी। तो यही आपका हॉटस्पॉट जो हेलोजन में आपको मिलता है। आई विल क्रिएट द हॉटस्पॉट। You can see the hotspot. It is creating a very good hotspot and very much brighter than the halogen. So I'll letting you to decide which is better for you. तो आप देख सकते हैं कितना अच्छा हॉटस्पॉट और परफेक्ट स्ट्रेट बीम पैटर्न किया है और एकदम ज़्यादा स्कैटर नहीं होता है, क्योंकि जो नॉर्मल चीप क्वालिटी एलईडी बल्ब्स है इट स्कैटर्स द लाइट. वी डोंट नीड अ फ्लड लाइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ आवर कार, सो इट इज क्रिएटिंग अ परफेक्ट बीम पैटर्न. So this is the light intensity you are getting with, it's much brighter. You don't get the white light, but it's a much brighter appeal. I am checking the low beam headlights from inside the car. I will show you in this dark area. As you can see, the light has spread, but it is creating a perfect beam pattern. Let me switch it off. Now you see the perfect beam pattern. The subject can be easily seen from this particular headlight. The light is doing very good job. Now this is the test for low beam. और आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शहर में तो लो बीम ही यूज़ करेंगे, क्योंकि लो बीम ही सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है आपका. आप चाहिए तो यू कैन रेज द बीम लिटिल बिट हायर, बट आई हैव केप्ट इट इन दिस पोजीशन. एक्चुअली हमारा लोकेलिटी में गेटिंग अ एब्सोल्यूट डार्क एरिया इज़ क्वाइट डिफ़िकल्ट. So I tried early in the morning, but still the lights are all still on. So I am letting you to check. और थोड़ा foggy condition भी है. So there is light fog also. So this will also give you an additional idea how it works under foggy condition. Now check the hot spots. As you can see the road perfectly. And here there is no light, so this is the perfect situation I was waiting for. And this thing is very important. Absolutely good throw. Check it over here also. तो आपको अच्छा ही लाइट आ रहा है. So you get an absolute clear vision with these headlights without any problem of white light bouncing back, जो मेरे लिए सबसे ज़्यादा प्रायोरिटी था. क्योंकि मैंने जो होंडा सिटी में वाइट लाइट दिया है, फॉगी या रेनी कंडीशन में वो लाइट बाउंस बैक होता है, तो उसमें विजिबिलिटी काफ़ी कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड होता है. बट इसमें आप देखिए एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास।
ह्यूज आला एकदम.
So this is the demonstration of how this Philips Altinon Access LED lamps perform, and the main advantage of this, it gives a very bright and clear view of the road without putting a stress on the opposite traffic or the traffic coming from your opposite side. So this bulb is been manufactured perfectly, and you see we don't need a swarm of light, we don't need to scatter the light, we need a light pattern that will travel in a straight beam pattern. So that's perfect in this light. So I am letting you to decide. तो आप लोगों को डिसाइड करने के लिए हम छोड़ रहे हैं, ये लाइट आपको परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा लगे तो तभी आप खरीद सकते हैं, बट इन माई पर्सपेक्टिव और मेरा जो ख्याल है, इसका जो लाइट है सफिशिएंट है। हाँ, आप लोगों का एक शिकायत है, ये वाइट लाइट नहीं है, बट आई हैव टोल्ड यू द रीज़न वाई आई हैव नॉट चोजन द वाइट लाइट। सो if you have liked this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you think the video useful, please do comment. If you have any queries regarding this installation of this particular light, and the links will be in the description box. Thank you very much. Goodbye and namaste.